Come on, yes, now see me, now see me. You don't see me, come just babe, I don't see you. Go inside for what?
Nah, I there boy in state, the punkiest babe. Chai! Omo. That's are fresh. Chai! If this boy see me today, go know say na a boy in state and down na in come jam am there. Chai! Omo, I too fine, I beg. Who say I no fine? I too fine. I do funing. Chai! Funing kunje mono. Ma come dey go. Hey, who dey call me? E be like say na him, make I pick first. Hello. Who be this?
Sorry, are you actually the hookup girl?
Ah, yes. Na me be the hookup girl. Na me be the hookup. Obum.
I've been waiting for you since. Now, what's going on?
Oh, you dey wait for me? Right, I don dey road already. I don dey come. Abeg before I forget. Hope say you still dey remember our deal na. Ego na anyi furu. You still dey remember how much wey I tell you? That one very important, abeg.
Don't worry about that. I got you covered. Just be coming. I've been waiting for you since. Come on.
Oh, super grandma. Hey, you got me covered. No wahala. I dey like people like you. I dey like people like you. Abeg, very important.
I'm waiting for you.
I'm actually on my way now. I dey come now. You go see me now. In fact, I go do you well. You get? I go do you well. I dey come now. Chai. Hello, bros.
Yes.
I don dey for that address wey you send for me o. I dey for that green gate. Where you dey na? I no dey like this kind thing so.
Come inside. The gate is open.
Diko ko ma chokwa nsogbu. Mo si so sharp. Okay na. I dey come, I come inside.
My baby, you move, my baby, you me fam, my baby, my baby, you move.
I don't stay inside now. I dey for your apartment now. Just for that, stop. Eji. I make people sharp.
God have mercy upon us.
Bro.
Wait. Are you the girl I actually called?
Yes, now. Obum. Obum na bia.
Hold on.
Abeg, the bros come, we do am sharp.
Hold on.
Come on. Wetin happen?
Wait, hold on. I'm not sure.
Ma chop one sogu. Time me wait, sharp. Time me say I no get time. I get customers so I wan go.
I'm not sure you're there. Hold on.
Which one be say you no sure? You say this kind wahala now I no dey like.
Which one be
say you no sure?
mercy upon us.
Yes, na see me. You don't see me. Come just babe, I don't see me. I go do you well.
Go inside for what? Hold on.
Let me go do am now.
Stay like that. Calm down.
I stay like that.
Let me talk to you. I saw a different picture online. I ordered and look at what you come on now. You're not the girl I ordered.
Now me na conscious babe. Chere.
I'm not doing it again. I'm not doing it.
You know say this camera.
I'm not doing it.
You know say you wetin dey call am o. You get wetin dey call editing. You know, brother, bros, you know wetin dey call editing. Now in the editor me come, but I find like this past that picture now. I don't think see now. See, I go do you well.
Please, I'm not doing it again. Can you just go back?
You know you do again.
Just go back.
What are you
saying?
Send my money if you know one.
Send your money for what?
You talk 150,000.
Send your money.
Send my money.
I'm not doing it again. Why are you telling me?
Now that way.
For what?
Wait. Now that way. Now I been they go before, but that way no they pay. So now I say make I try hook up. Make I try hook up. Say mara moji full up. My ass no football well. Like make I try hook up. So that they say that one they pay. As I come now, you say you don't want to again. You can pay my money. That one say you don't save me. Stress. I swear to God. You don't save me stress.
Me? send you money for what? When I've not even touched you, I've not even done anything with you. I tell me to give you money for what?
Yeah, you say you know what? Ngulagu no will go do.
Hold on. Come on, stop pushing me.
What happened?
Hold on. Say that my English no easy. I don't do again.
Oh, Jerry. Have you speak broken? Now they speak supreme for me since. Oh, that can't pay me my money. Make I go. You know those I don't spend transport come here.
Please don't touch me. Be going.
Hey. Now so you dey do.
Be going.
Now so they do for you.
Be going. Come
on. Come be like say you no know say na me be ghetto mama. You know say give me my money. Give me my money.
Please calm down.
I dey do am. Make I receive alert before I go dey do. They do am. Do fast. 150,000. Like 150,000.
I don't want to call your phone.
Oh yeah, 1492
okay
848846 access. You go see all the cheap it and then walk for there. That get to come on my knee. She came. Wait, make a confirm. Don't mind you. If you see, I go put out for your body. No make them no come back that for me and you for you.
I beg. I don't
see a lot. Thank you very much. Nice business.
So I just spend 100.
I'm on a hustle, though. No feel rough for Lagos.